Can stones come alive? Or is there an invisible force moving them from one place to another? Hidden mysteries on Earth have repeatedly challenged science. In today's video, we will uncover the real secret behind the strange sailing stones of Death Valley, USA. Imagine if massive rocks started moving across a desert on their own, without any engine or wheels. How would that feel? It sounds unbelievable, but this is exactly what happens at Racetrack Playa in California. It is a dry lake bed filled with cracked mud. The rocks scattered here have been moving on their own for years. They leave behind long, winding trails as if an invisible artist has drawn on a canvas. But the question is, how? At first, scientists thought powerful winds or hurricanes might be pushing them, but moving rocks weighing hundreds of kilograms just by wind seemed impossible. Moreover, some rocks move north, while others move south. If it were just the wind, wouldn't they all move in the same direction? Finally, after long research, scientists found the answer. Behind this lies a rare natural phenomenon. In winter, when temperatures in Death Valley drop below freezing, rainwater turns into a thin sheet of ice over the playa. When the ice starts to melt under the sun and a light breeze blows, these ice sheets act like rafts. Riding on this slippery ice, the heavy stones slowly glide forward. Even moving just a few centimeters per minute, they cover long distances over time. In 2012, scientists attached GPS trackers to the stones and found visual proof. It was observed that some stones traveled up to 200 meters. So, there is no supernatural force here, just physics and a unique play of nature. However, remember that this place is very sensitive. Tourists are strictly forbidden from touching or moving the stones to ensure this natural wonder is preserved. How did you find this strange play of nature? Let us know in the comments. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more unknown facts like this.